Hello guys, I'm Arya, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Flux, the new image generator for completely free. So the thing you need to do is is that there are many image generators which you can use, such as Flux AI. Here in my browser, here you can just actually give your prompts. I actually do have a prompt here, and copy and paste and click on generate. As you see, you have to sign up, and let me test this one. I'm using Trash ID as you've seen the tutorial in previous videos. So here, click on the link. So as you see, we have 3 credits, and just let's copy our prompt and generate Flux Dev, Flux Pro, and Flux Channel. So wait until the image is generated. Until this generates, let me actually log into the next one. So here's the preview. This is the image generated. It's using Flux, and I can recognize. The next site is the first one was fluxpro.ai, and the next one is getimg.ai. As you see, this one needs to log into. I want to sign up. As you see, we cannot sign up with emails. We just have to continue with Google. But I think this site actually has a limit of 100 credits per account. I mean, you just can create 100 of actually images per your actually Gmail or Google account, which is harder. And this one has 3 or 4, I think. And the next one is here, Based Labs. Let me check this one. I already used this website, but it has credits. As you can see, the number of images, I think it gives here 2. Each generate gives you 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 images per generate. As you increase the numbers, the more credit it uses. So let's get to the next site, baselabs.ai. You can use this site unlimited, but you just have to copy the email and just sign up, and another when your credits are out. When you're out of credits, you just have to again sign up and log out, sign up and log out until you're done. As you can see, this one, baselabs.ai, needs to sign up or sign in with Discord or Google. That's not what we want. So I have a better way, free and unlimited. So how? You just have to open your Telegram with any Telegram account, it's okay, and open this group, a $50 group. I write it here for you. So here you just have to write /flux and write the prompt you want. For example, I want this prompt here, and click on here. So as you can see, this prompt is actually formatted. Just make it normal text and send it. As you can see, the bot is generating your image, and this is the Flux image generated. As here says, model Flux version 1, it's the actually developer edition, and you can actually generate as much as you want, and without any limitations, without anything, and with only your Telegram account, and that's all. And today is the Telegram's birthday. Yes. He or she is now 11. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, test these methods I said, and give me feedbacks in the comments. And you can also write your comment down below so I can actually use it in the next video. If you like this video, please click right here or here, subscribe my channel and like this video. It really helps me to make better videos. And done. Thank you.